Remember how AI was going to disrupt and transform our businesses? Well, according to research and my own observations, a lot of that hype has since fizzled. Why? Because there's more focus being placed on installing AI than installing AI of practical value. And it's the latter that's going to make or break it where you work. The problem is that so many executive marching orders today are being issued in terms of the need to do AI because everybody else is, rather than figuring out where or even whether AI can make an everyday difference. And therein lies the rub. If you know me at all, then you already know what I'm going to say next. You have to start by asking this fundamental question. What business problem are you trying to solve? If you can't answer this clearly and concisely, then your initiative almost certainly will stall. Because if you can't define your desired result, then you can't know if you're making meaningful progress. Your senior managers will wonder what's the point, and they'll pare your program back to nothing. So I encourage you, I beg you really, to spend dedicated time and attention right from the start, or starting right now, on even this short list of critical tasks. Identify use cases that may actually move the needle. Prioritize them according to their potential business or operational benefit. Articulate a clear and measurable expectation in terms of what you want to achieve. And take pains to be and remain as absolutely pragmatic as you can. It's true that AI may still disrupt and transform our businesses, but it's not going to do so as long as there's more frenzy than focus. The good news is that you are in the perfect position to achieve this outcome because you spend your days immersed in the practical realities that AI will either need to enrich or die. So if your AI hype is fizzling, speak up and get real. And if you want some coaching or an outside ally, give me a ring, and I'll help you get the most value you can from what you're doing.